Number 161. Tina invested 5 quantity 1. Tina invested 5,600 on a simple interest scheme at the rate of X% per annum for 2 years, and Chini invested the same amount of money on a compound interest scheme at the same rate and same period of time. If the difference between the interest received Tina and Chini is 126, find the value of XR. Simply we are saying difference between compound interest and simple interest is how many rupees? 126. What is the principal value? 5,600. 126 divided by 5,600 multiplied by 10,000, that is equal to x square. What is the 2 years difference formula? R% of principal. Same or different? Same. 2 zeros will get cancelled. 14 how many times? 4 times. 14 9 times. That is 900 by 4. 900 by 4 means 30 by 2. 30 by 2. Then x equal to 15%. Next question number quantity 2. Harish invested 4,800 on compound interest at the rate of X% per annum for 3 years. If after 3 years he received the interest is 2,500.2, find the value of X. What the principal is given? 4,800. What is the interest value? 2,500.2. These two are adding, we are getting the amount of 4,800 plus 2,500. 7,300 means 7,300.2 means numerator 0.2 means denominator 10. Okay. 6 how many times denominator? 8,000 times, sir. Numerator 6 to 12. What is the remaining? 100. 100 means 16. What is the remaining? 42. 7 times, sir. 12167. It is which one cube? 23 cube. 8,000 which one cube? 20 cube. Both are in power 3 or power 1? Power 3. Then what is the 1 year value? 23 by 20. Principal is how many parts? 20 parts. Amount is how many parts? 23 parts. What is the interest value? 3 parts. 3 upon 20 multiplied by 100. What is the rate of birth? 15%. What is the Q1 value? 15. Q2 also 15. What is the answer? Q1 equal to Q2. 160. The sum of the cost price of the shirt and trouser is 660. If the shopkeeper sold the shirt at 5% loss, the trouser at 6% profit, then the whole transaction he gets no loss, no profit. And here what is the total cost price is given? 660. First one 5% loss, second one 6% profit, and entire transaction getting no loss, no profit. Only shirt 5% loss means selling price is 95%. Only trouser 6% profit, selling price is 106%. In this transaction getting no loss, no profit means selling price equal to cost price means 100%. 0% profit or 0% loss means cost price are 100%, selling price also 100%. 95 selling price or cost price? Selling price. 106 also selling price. Then 100 also selling price. Simplify these three. We are get the ratio 195 different 5. 106 100 different 6. What is the ratio? 6 is to 5. Trouser cost is how many parts? 5 parts. Shirt cost 6 parts. Then answer Q1 less than Q2. Question number 163. Quantity 1. Ratio of the ages of Rahul to Geeta is 4:3 and the ratio of the ages of Mahita and Sheila is 5:6. Rahul is 9 years elder than Sheila and after 6 years the ratio of their ages Rahul to Sheila is 10:7. What is the difference between Rahul and Sheila? Rahul is 9 years elder than Sheila means Rahul and Sheila age difference is 9 years. But after 6 years ratio 10:7. How many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts are 9 years. What is the one part value? 3 years. Then Rahul is after 6 years Rahul is how much? 30. After 6 years Rahul is 30. What is the present value of a Rahul? 24. Next. After 6 years Sheila will be how many parts? 7 parts. 1 part are 3 years. 7 parts are 21. After 6 years 21 means present value of a Sheila 15. And what is the Rahul to Geeta ratio? 4:3 means 4 parts are 24. Obviously Geeta 18. Next, ratio of the ages of Mahita and Sheila is how much? 5:6. What is the 5? Sheila is how many parts? 6 parts. 6 parts is how much? 15. Calculation. What is the 10 parts value? 30. 7 parts value 21. After 6 years 21 means present value 15. The same Mahita and Sheila are in which ratio? 5:6. What is the 6 parts value? 15. Then 5 parts value 12.5. Mahita will be how much? 12.5. What is the question? Average of Geeta and Mahita. Geeta and Mahita means 18 plus 18 and 12.5. How much? 30.5. Average means divide by 12. 15.25. Quantity. If the ratio of the ages of Mahi and Sidhu is 4:5 and after 3 years the ratio becomes 11:13. Then what is the Sidhu age after 6 years? Present difference 1 part but future difference 2 parts are. Then present also written 8:10 and each one how many parts are increased? 3 parts. 3 parts 3 years are. What is the 1 part? 1 year. Means at present Mahi is how many years? 8 years. Sidhu is 10 years. What is the question here? Sidhu after 6 years. At present 10 after 6 years means 16. What is the Q1 value? 15.25. What is the Q2 value? 16. What is the answer? Q1 less than Q2. Next 164. Quantity 1. Ratio of the number of students in schools A to B is how much? 7:8. And the number of students in C is 50% more than that of A and 70% that of D. If the difference between schools B and A is how much? 20. Find the sum of the number of students in B and D. What is the A to B ratio? 7:8. A how many parts? 7 parts. B is 8 parts. And C is 50% more than that of which one? A. Means C is 50% more than that of A means C is 10.5 parts. And E also 70% of which one? D1. C is 70% of D. What is the 70%? 10.5. Then 100%? 15 parts. If D value are 100%, C is how much? 70%. What is the 100% value? 15 parts. What is the 70% value? 10.5 parts. 10.5 parts. Next, if the difference between schools B and A is how much? 20. B and A difference means 7 parts and 8 parts difference 1 part. That 1 part equal to how much? 20. 1 part value are 20. Find the sum of the number of students in B and D. B is how many parts? 8 parts. D value 15 parts. Total 23 parts are. 1 part are 20. 23 parts are 460. Next, what is the quantity 2? Ratio of the number of students in schools A and B is how much? 6:5. and the average number of students in B and C is how much? 90. And the number of students in school A is 40 more than the C. What is the A and B ratio? 6:5. A 6 parts, B 5 parts are. Average number of students of B and C is 90. Means B plus C sum is given how much? 180 here. And C, the number of students in school A is 40 more than the C. A value compared to C value 40 more. Then C we return 6 parts minus 40 or plus 40? Minus 40. And what is the question here? Number of students in school A. B how many parts? 5 parts. C 6 parts minus 40. 5 plus 6 11. 11 parts minus 40, that is equal to how much? 180 here. 180 plus 40 220. 11 parts are 220. Every one part are 20 here. What is the question here? A value here. How many parts? 6 parts. What is the answer? 120. What is the Q1 value? 460. Q2 are 120. Then answer Q1 is greater than Q2. Next 165. Ratio of the lengths of train A and B. Ratio of the length of train A and B is 3:4. Train A crosses a train B. Ratio of the length of the train A and B is how much? 3:4. Train A crosses train B in the opposite direction 24 seconds. And train B crosses a man in 24 seconds. If a train crosses a 200 meters long platform in 40 seconds. First of all, when a train passes another train, what is the total distance? Sum of the two train lengths are 3 plus 4. How many parts? 7 parts are. What is the first one? Train A crosses a train B. Means relative speed in opposite direction. Sum of the speeds are difference of the speeds. Sum of the speeds. One will be train A speed, another one are train B speed. A plus B into how many seconds it will be passes? 24 seconds. 7 parts equal to A plus B into 24. And train B crosses a man in how many seconds? 24 seconds. Train B means what is the length of the train B? 4 parts, that is equal to speed of the train B. B into how many seconds it will be passes? 24 seconds. Sir. And one more, if train A crosses a 200 meters long platform in 40 seconds. Train passes a platform in, what is the total distance? Length of the train plus platform length. What is the train length? 3 parts plus platform length 200 meters, that is equal to speed into timer. Train A speed A into how many seconds? 40 seconds. Sir. 3 parts plus 200, that is equal to how much? A into 40. Next 4 parts equal to B into 24. And 7 parts equal to A plus B into which one? 24. These two are adding, we are getting the which one? 7 parts plus 200, that is equal to which one? A into 24 plus A into 40 plus B into 24. What is the first one? Already we know A plus B into 24. That will be written A into 24 plus B into 24. That is equal to how much? 7 parts or only 1 part? 7 parts. Subtracting the both equations. Negative, negative. These two are cancelled. 7 parts cancel. What is the remaining? 200. That is equal to, what is the difference between A into 24 and A into 40? 16 into A and A equal to 200 by 16. 8 how many times? 25. 8 how many times? 2 times. That is 25 by 2 meter per second. That one we written 12.5 meter per second. Train A speed or train B speed? Train A. But we required in kilometer per hour or meter per second? Kilometer per hour. 25 by 2 into which one? 18 by 5. 5 how many times? 5 times. 2 how many times? 9. A speed is how much? 45 kilometer per hour. Substitute the A speed. Substitute the A speed in second equation. What is the second equation? 7 parts. 7 parts value. What is the 7 parts value? A into 24 plus B into 24 or A plus B into, what is the B A value? 45 plus B into 24 seconds are. But two unknowns are only one unknown. What is the A value? 45 km per hour. Substitute the A value here. 3 parts plus 200, that is equal to which one? A into 40. A means it is 40 seconds. Then A value we written 25 by 2 into how many seconds? 40. 2 how many times? 20. 25 into 20. 500. 500 minus 200. 300. 3 parts are 300. What is the 1 part value? 100. If 1 part are 100, what are the 4 parts? 400. That 400 equal to which one? B into 20. 400. And 4 how many? 8 how many times? 50 times. 8 how many times? 3 times. Then B equal to, we are getting 50 by 3 meter per second. Converted to kilometer per hour. 18 by 5. 5 how many times? 10. 3 almost 6 times. 10 into 6. 60 kilometer per hour. B value 60 kilometer per hour. A value 45 kilometer per hour. Then answer Q1 greater than Q2. Q1 means B value. Q2 means A value. Next question number 176. In a bag there are 5 red balls and X green balls and 7 yellow balls. The probability of drawing 1 green ball from bag A is how much? 1 by 3. In bag B there are X minus 2 red balls, X plus 4 green balls and 6 yellow balls. 2 balls are drawn from bag B. Then find the probability that the balls are in green color. First of all, in bag A, how many red balls are there? 5. How many yellow balls? 7. How many green balls are given? Excellent. But here probability of drawing 1 green ball from bag A is how much? 1 by 3. What is the other than the green? Other than the green means how many balls? 5 plus 7. Total how many balls? 12. Other than the green, what is the probability? Green probability are 1 by 3 means other than the green, what is the probability? 2 by 3 or not? What is the meaning? Out of 3 parts, other than the green, how many parts? 2 parts are. But the 2 parts are equal to how many balls? 12 balls are. 2 parts are how many balls? 12 balls. Then 3 parts are equal to how many balls? 18 balls. Out of 18, other than the green, how many balls? 12. Then only green balls are how much? 6 or not? We required green value. That green value are equal to X or not? Total 18. In that other than the green, 12. Then green balls are 6. The same 6 equal to X value. And in bag B there are X minus 2 red balls. What are the bag B red balls? 4. Next green balls 10. Next yellow balls 6 or not? What is the question here? 2 balls are drawn from the bag B. Then find the probability that the balls are in green color. How many green color balls are there? 10. Out of 10 we are choose 2 balls or not? 10 C2 by, what are the total balls? 20 or not? Then 20 C2. 10 C2 by 20 C2. 10 into 9 by 20 into 19 or not? 0 get cancel. 9 by which one? 38. 9 by 38. Which option? Fourth one. Next question number 177. The volume of a cone is how much? 808.5 centimeter cube, more than the volume of a hemisphere. The radius of the cone is twice the radius of the hemisphere. The height of the cone is 1/3 of the radius of the cone. Find the difference between the radius of the hemisphere and the height of the cone. First of all, volume of a cone is 808.5 more than the volume of a hemisphere. What is the cone volume? 1 by 3 pi r square h minus what is the volume of a hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. These two difference equal to which one? 808.5. This one I written 808.5 double 1617 by 12. Okay. What is the common value in left hand side? Pi by 3 commoner. Pi by 3 means written 22 by 21. 22 by 21. What is the remaining? R square into h, 2 into r cube minus 2 into r cube. What is the next line is given? The radius of the cone is twice the which one? Radius of a hemisphere. Radius of the cone compared to radius of a hemisphere, how many times? Twice, sir. Suppose radius of a hemisphere we are consider 3 parts. Radius of a cone are 6 parts, sir. Next, what is the next line? The height of the cone is 1/3 of the which one? Radius of the cone. Already radius of the cone 6 parts. In that 1/3 means 2 parts. Means height of the cone equal to how many parts? 2 parts, sir. Substitute the values. What is the r square into h? What is the r value here? 6 parts. And here 6 parts square means 36 into how much? 2 parts. Total it is 72 parts cube. R square into h, 6 square 36 and into 2 72. Part square into part cube minus 2 into which one? R cube. What is the radius of hemisphere? 3 parts. 3 parts square means 3 parts cube. What is the 3 parts cube? 27 p cube into how many times? 2 times. That will be 54 parts cube. That is equal to how much? 1617 by 2. First of all, 72 and 54 difference 18. This one I written 22 by 21 into 18 parts cube equal to 1617 by 2. 3 how many times? 7. 3 how many times? 6. Again 22 6 132. R 11 how many times? 2 times. 11 1 4 7. Next 2 how many times? 3. And here 2 sorry 3 how many times? 2 times. 3 how many times? 49. Then part cube equal to 2 into 2 into 2 means denominator 8. 7 into 49 that is 343. Then every one part equal to how much? 7 by 2. One part equal to 7 by 2. What is the question here? Find the difference between the radius of a hemisphere and the height of the cone. Radius of a hemisphere 3 parts. Height of the cone 2 parts. Difference is 1 part. What is the 1 part value? 7 by 2. Nothing but 3.5. Next 178. Some number of boys and girls attended annual function. Out of the total students of a college, girls who attended the annual function were 75% of the boys who attended the function, and the number of boys who attended the annual function was 60 more than the girls who attended the annual function. And here boys and girls are total boys, total girls, and out of the total boys, some are attended the function. Total boys in that some are attended function. Total girls in that some are attended function. First of all, girls who attended the annual function were 75% of which one? Boys who attended the function. Suppose boys we are consider 4 parts, girls will be 3 parts. Those are in attended the function. And one more, the number of boys who attended the annual function was 60 more than the which one? Girls who attended annual function. How many parts are difference? 1 part. That 1 part equal to 60. 4 parts are 240. 3 parts are 180. Or the next line. Only 40% of the girls attended the function out of the total girls. Means 180 is equal to how much percent? 40%. 40% 180, then 100% 450. Next, the ratio in the total number of boys and girls in the college is how much? 6:5. Or the 5 parts? 450. Girls are how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts 450. Or the 6 parts? 540. Total boys 540. In that 240 are attended the function. Total girls 450. In that 180 are attended the function. Or the first question? Total show answer. Or the answer? 990. Next, or the 172. Find the number of boys who attended the annual function. Who attended the annual function means boys is how much? 240. Next, 180. The number of girls who did not attended the function is what percentage of the boys who did not attended the function? What is the total girls? 450. In that 180 are attended means not attended 270. Out of 540, 240 are attended means not attended value 300. What is the question here? Girls is what percent of boys? 270 by 300 into 100. That will be how much? 90%. Next question number 181. The ratio of the radius of a sphere and cylinder is how much? 7:8. And the height of the cylinder is given 62.5% more than the radius of a cylinder. The difference between total surface area of a cylinder to that of the sphere is how much? 1760 centimeter square. Find the volume of a cone. But if height of the cone is 50% more than the which one? Height of the cylinder, and the radius of the cone is 3/4 of the radius of the sphere. What is the question here? Volume of a cone. What is the formula? 1/3 pi r square h/. Pi means 11 multiple. First option is 11 multiple. No. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? Fifth option? Yes. Here we required volume or not? Just verify the first of all 11 multiple. Next question number 182. A and B enter into a partnership with investments of 5,000 and 9,000 respectively. After 6 months, A and B withdraw half of their respective investment, and C joined with an investment of 7,000. If at the end of the 1 year, the average profit share of ABC is given 56,000, then what is the average profit share of A and C? For the A investment 5,000, B investment 9,000, C investment 7,000. All the cases 3 zeros are common, or the investment ratio 5:9:7. After 6 months, A and B withdraw half of their respective investment. Out of 5 parts, half value are withdraw. Means 5 parts are used for 6 months, or the half of the 5, 2.5, that will be used for remaining 6 months. Or the second person, 9 parts are used for 6 months, or the half of the 9, 5. 4.5 are withdraw means remaining also 4.5. That will be used for remaining 6 months. And C will be joined after how many months? 6 months. Then C capital are used for remaining 6 months. What is the total time period? 1 year. First 6 months, second 6 months. First 6 months, second 6 months. All the cases 6 get cancelled. 5 plus 2.5, 7.5. Double. 15. 9 plus 4.5, 13.5. Double. 27. 7 double. 14. What is the ratio? 15 is to 27 is to 41. Total how many parts? 56 parts. And here average profit are given. Average 56,000 means sum is how much? 3 into 56,000. What is the one part value? 3,000. One part is 3,000. But we required average of which one? A and C. A how many parts? 15. C how many parts? 14. Sum will be 29 parts. But average means 29 by 2 parts. 29 into 3. 87,000. 87,000 divided by 2. What is the answer? 43,500. Next 183. A and B together can do a work in how many days? 60 by 7 days. And B and C together can do the same work in 45 by 4 days. A and B together started the work and both left after 6 by 3 days. C alone can complete the remaining work in 4 days. What is the time taken by D alone to do the work? If all 4 together can finish the whole work in how many days? 4.5 days. First of all the 4 person can finish the work in how many days? 4.5 days. A plus B plus C plus D together in how many days? 4.5. 4.5 means 9 by 12. Only A and B together 60 by 7 days. Only B and C together 45 by 4. 45 by 4. First take the LCM of 9 by 2, 60 by 7 and 45 by 4. LCM is 180. LCM of fractions means LCM of numerators by LCF of denominators. 9, 60, 45 LCM 180. 2, 7, 4 HCF 1. 180 by 1 means 180. 180 by 9 by 2. 180 by 9 by 2 means it will be 40. 180 by 60 by 7 means it will be 21. 180 by 45 by 4. 4 times 4 for the 16. Next. But the next line is given. A and B together started the work. Both left after how many days? 6 by 3 days. What is the A and B together efficiency? 21. But both are working for 6 by 3 days. Then I return 21 into 6 by 3 means how much? 20 by 3. 20 by 3 means 3 how many times? 7 times. 7 into 20, 140. Out of 180, already 140 is completed by A and B. What is the remaining work? 40. That is completed by only C alone. But C can complete the whole work in remaining work in how many days? 4 days. Remaining work 40. It is completed in 4 days means what is the C efficiency? 10. 4 days work are 40. What is the per day work? 10 parts. Means C efficiency is how many parts? 10 parts. C efficiency 10 parts. But B plus C are 16 means B efficiency are 6 parts. And B efficiency 6 parts means what is the A efficiency? 15 parts. Okay. We know the A and B efficiency. And we know the C efficiency. Obviously we are getting the D efficiency here. 15 plus 6, 21. What is the C value? 10. Total 31. The D value 9. D efficiency 9. What is the question here? D alone can complete the work. Then D equal to 180 by what is the D efficiency? 9. What is the answer? 20 days.